quarter. First possession goes to Bata Cavite. Down the pass. This is up 2 points. It's the Cannibals now. Full court pressure by Bata Cavite. Pare now with the letter. Hands it over to Pauline. Shot clock at 10. Mike gets out of the corner, tries for 3. Look at offensive rebound. Pauline up to Kayoka. Kayoka with the jumper. And there's the foul. Foul number 77, first personal foul, first team foul. There's Gaba. Up by Beverly, down the corner, Yasef. Down low. Once lost, turnover. Ball possession goes back to Cannibals. There's Boladan. Shot clock at 10. Hands it over to Pauline. 5 to shoot. 2 points by number 13. Number 31. At the corner. Yasser with the 2 points. Ball stolen. Caesar down low pass. Too strong that time. Even for Pauline. Pass the ball done. Pare down low. Joseph now, basket is good and 1. Ball number 31. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot for Joseph Pare. Season now, pass to Gaba. Nice for 3, no good. Offensive rebound goes to Cannibals. Out of bounds. Offensive stays with Cannibals. There is Ponce. Ponce pass to Pauline. Nice for down, no good. Offensive rebound by Kayoka. Ball deflected, 10 to shoot. Pare on the attack, loses the letter in the middle. Steal completed by Evangelista. Gaba with the fade. Well, get off the pass too strong. Kayoka grabs the board, out the pass. Ball stolen by Yasser. Evangelista tries for 3. Give Evangelista 3. Pauline now on top of the key. Good back by Boladan again. Pare the short slam steal again. Another rebound by Yasser, pass to Caesar. Struggling. Caesar with the layup. And offensive foul. Chris Calooca pass on the poste. Once out the rookie, landing in the paint. Takes the jumper. No get that time. Ibang number 1 na Cavite. Namakinig sa off the kapat. Rob on the blind. Basket is good and one.
Basket is good, forcing foul. One to the second, good handle play. Basket is good, plus a foul. Foul is going to play number 77. To the second personal. And third team foul. 4 minutes, 32 seconds remaining. It is 12 to 9. 3-point advantage in favor of Batang Cavite. This is on that free throw. Good backs on that tie. Candy was on the offense, looking for a teammate. Oh, and out of bounds, and it will go the same way. With a shot clock at 17. 17 on the shot clock. Eight-second violation. Baseline attack, Robin Bulls and hustle the racing foul. Foul on Pare. This is first personal, 14th foul. 4 minutes remaining, starting first quarter. It is a 3-point lead so far in the early going. On the left side, yeah, kick out. Got back for three. No, look at that rebound from Siegfried. Misses that one. Pass at the front court, off to Joseph. Pare attacking in the lane. Ball goes the other side. There's a close shot for Jacques Yasser. 49, 5-point advantage. Hands off this time. Oh, inside pass. Great pass to the running teammate. Putting the lead down to 3. 3 minutes, 15 seconds remaining. Here's Siegfried Season. Tags in the middle. Oh, the kick out. And that is an easy call for traveling. One-court press this time. Here is Desena. There is a foul. The foul was called on player number 6. This is first personal foul. Also the 14th foul. 2 minutes 55 seconds remaining. It is 14 to 11. Here's number 95. Attacks in the kick out pass. Good ball movement. Pass is too low, but ball bounces to the line. That is turnover. It's still a 3-point advantage here in our first. Here's Reyes. Off the gaba, the step back. No. And and rights it up for 3. Rodney that time hitting that bomb. It is now a 6-point lead. Here's Boluin with a side step off the gas. No, offensive rebound by Joseph. Here's the foul. The foul was called on play number 16. Second personal. Penalty situation substitution. First free throw is good para kay Joseph Pare. It is 17-12 and 2 out of 2 at the free throw line. 17-13, 2 minutes 20 on our first. Here is Reynaldo. Reyes setting off the play. The kick out pass off the Raffles. Richards attacks. Loses it momentarily. Back to number 12. Off to the button, number 6, and off the gas, in and out. Joseph gets another rebound. Off to Joseph, Pare looks, attacks, drains it off, and in and out. Forcing that shot inside, Desena, and there is a foul. The foul is going to play number 12. His first personal. And Desena at the free throw line will be shooting 2 free throws. 17-13, a minute and 45. First free throw is good. Down to 3-point game. Substitution. Jubel sa garage checks in. Here is Reyes. It is now only down to 2-point game. Oh, a great pass! And Sagaral off the bench getting his first 2 points. Great pass coming from Reyes. Full court pressure has been effective, but managed to escape. Goes all the way, deflected at the back by Sagaran. This time, here's BC on the run. Reyes, hand off to Roti. Loses it, and the ball would stay. With a shot clock at 18. This was a great defense from Batang Cavite, not giving that easy layup to that offensive player of Canibus. This time, counter steal. Off number 7, hand off this side. Cross court, Desena at the free throw line. He bumps, fires, and he scores another 2. Quick outlet pass, another steal for Canibus. They can tie the game or take the lead. Cross, attacks, and layup. No! Batting for the rebound. Ball secured that time. Reyes on the front court. Decides off the kick up para Grapos. Richard on the break. He attacks the lane, forcing that move with a hand on his face. 21-17. Shot clock now is off. 21.28 seconds remaining. BC can take the last shot of the quarter. They're up by 4 points. Here's Rodney, bigyan bola para kay Reynaldo. Reyes off the screen. Off the double fake. Kings it out, balik bola para kay Richard. 10 seconds remaining on the game clock. Rodney fakes with 2 defenders. Forcing that ball, 3 seconds remaining. And that ends the quarter, 21-17.
For Batang Cavite, 21-17. Along the baseline, Jay. Almost. Limon to Bata Cavite. Here is Ramos. Hands it over to Reyes. Reyes off to Rabat. Rodney with the fade. Stop and ball. 2 points. There's Bodine. Back on the left side, the vision gate is there. 2 points. Great answer for the Calibers. Here is Reyes now on the run. Ramos. Pass to Rapique. No good. Ipon goes to Pare. Same spot, same result. 23-21, 2-point lead for Bata Cavite. Reyes pass to Rapique. Hands it over back to Gabat. Off to Reyes. Shot clock at 10. Reyes for 3. From downtown, 3. Ball stolen by Reyes. The alley pass. Sagaran. Looking for an open line. Again, 3-1 by Pare. Pare pass to Bodine. Off to Ponce. Shot clock at 15. Throw-in. Timeout, Bata Cavite. Over the score, 26-21. There's Reyes now. Reyes has in the play. Pass to Gabat on the corner. Tries for 3. From downtown, 3. 8-point lead now for Bata Cavite. 29-21. There's Bodine. Bodine using off the screen. Ponce up the last 2 points. Gabat pass to Reyes. Pass on to Ruffles. Ruffles almost got the leader. Pass it back to Reyes. Abige up to Sagaran. Sagaran is joker. Look at it. Rebound by Pare. There's the Canadians now on the offense. Pauline off to Felicia. 2 points. (29-25). 4-point advantage for Bata Cavite. Gabat with the jumper. 2 points. Pauline with the bait. Pass it back to Ponce. 10 on the shot clock. Felicia with the jumper. No good that time. Offensive rebound by Gisela. Hands it over to Felicia again. 2 points. Reyes taking the play. Fires a long one. Way off. Rebound by Gisela. Pauline off to Felicia. Won't go. Offensive rebound by Leader. Put back 2 points. Gabat for 3. Way off. Another rebound by Gisela. It's Ponce now. Ponce back to Felicia. Felicia up to Gisela. Miss fires. And there's a foul. Substitution. Foul player number 7. Felicia with his first personal foul. First team foul. There is Season now. Season using the screen. Take a jumper. Right from the wristboard. Pick up a Season. And bounce, no possession stage. Shot clock 14 seconds. There's a foul. Foul on number 22, first personal foul, second team foul. 14 on the shot clock. But there's a whistle. Foul on number 13, Ponce. First personal foul on Ponce. The third team foul for Cannabis. Easy 2 points for Liverpool. Out of pass. Turnover. Jason using the screen. Jason lays it up and he throws it down. Foul on number 23, Desena. Substitution, foul on number 23, first personal foul, fourth team foul, warning for penalty. And Jason making on the first free throw. Five-point lead. Two out of two. Wala ka pass na pala dyan. One shot, L Pals, 4 possession stays. Shot clock 18 seconds. L Pals, another turnover. They'll throw with the easy two. Off the pass. Oyo with the basic J. Off that out of bounds, possession goes to Bata Cavite. Season, that's the Ruffles. Ruffles sees it opening, lays off, they're good. Rebound goes to Cannabis. On lead for three. They're good. On the pass. Basket is good and one. On number 95, Pauline. Second personal foul penalty. Even goes to Wyoka. Pauline, 2 points. It's the man's now. Kick out pass. Season with the spin. And he throws it down. On number 95. Substitution. Third personal foul on number 95. Penalty situation. And Season back at the line shooting two. First free throw is good. Timeout, Cannabis. Official score 31-31, 10-point lead, Bata Cavite. Pauline On the attack, this is Senator, but he recovers. Stand on the shot block. Barrett muscles his way, 2 points. There's Ethan. And there's a foul on the number 12 Barrett. Second personal foul on Barrett. Penalty. Two shots for Rob Gaba. Still a 9-point lead for Batang Cavite. Here's Caroca, off the 14. Moving back to Caroca. Barrett on the baseline. Barrett Pajero. Back to 14. Shot clock is winding down. Home lead for 3. No good. Back to the offensive board and the flip back is in. 2 points. Gabat, 12 foul. Foul number 77. Second personal foul penalty. A third personal foul. And Rob Gabat back at the line shooting 2. First shot is good. Two out of 2 for Gabat. It's back to the line. Lead off the glass. Barrett with another rebound. And there's a foul. Foul number 25, Gerald Flo. First personal foul, first team foul. Joseph Barrett shooting 2. First free throw is missed for Barrett. Batang Cavite, official score 44-36. Season kickoff violation. Oyoka lays it off 2 points. 44-38. There's a Vanadisa. 2 points. Also on the Gabat. And there is a whistle, foul scored. Foul number 27. First personal foul on Oyoka. Penalty. 2 shots for Rob Gabat. Under a minute remaining in the first half. Once a pass up for the done. Almost no later. Backcourt violation. Possession goes back to Bata Cavite. Shot clock 47. On the shot clock. Two points, Racing. 49-38, 11-point lead now. Foul number 6, Yasser. Second personal foul, second team foul. Time to shoot. Nice for 3. No goal. Shot clock is off. 3 seconds remaining. First half, official score 49-38, 11-point lead, Batang Cavite. Third quarter. Here's Ramos now. Ramos is opening at the middle. One shot target. Rebound by a big 2 points. On the pass by. No good that time. On the pass to Ramos. Pass to Abige. Rebound goes to Felicio. Felicio down low to Moline. Moline fades away, 2 points. Once and down low. Out of bounds. Sagawan. 15-point lead now for Batang Cavite. 55-40. Here is Gayoka. Gayoka up to Felicio. No good. And there's also foul goal. First personal foul number 31. First team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. Championship. On the pass, Ramos with an easy fill. There's a whistle foul score on number 27. Two points by Abige. 59-40. Basket is good and one. Foul number 12, Rodriguez. Substitution. Timeout, Cannabis. Official score 63-43. Offensive foul scored. Offensive foul number 13, Ponce. Second personal foul. Second hand pass to number 31. With a jumper again, 3 by Jacena. Pass out to Pauline. Out to Milicio. Back to Pauline. Block shot. That bounce, 1 possession stays. Shot clock 16 seconds. Right to Green again. It's Reyes now on the run. Reyes pass to Ruffles. Ruffles to the plate. 2 points. And bounce. 1 possession stays. 20 on the shot clock. Good point. Out of bounds. Substitution. Shot clock 11 seconds. Time to shoot. Substitution. Out of bounds, simple. Shot clock 17 seconds. Well sorted. Good Billy, Evangelista. Gets out the Babat, counting the play. Almost a steal. Jumper again. Timo to Coyoca. Season lead the steal. Out the pass. no floor. Jumper is good. 2 points. Out of bounds, simple. Subdivision. Fire, 2 points. That one for 3. Way off. Season hand off to Rabat. No score to Evangelista. Tries for 3. No goal. The center with the rebound. Season off to Rabat for an easy 2. Out of bounds, ball possession stage, shot clock 14 seconds. Five. And there's a whistle, fouls goal on number 16. Second personal foul, third team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. From downtown, 3. From downtown, 3. Out of the past season, all alone for the easy 2. Substitution. Two points for Evangelista. Season hands it over the Rabat. Ball steal. Counter steal by Evangelista. Tries for 3 again. 3 point by Becerra. Penalty. Foul number 19. Evangelista. 7 personal foul penalty. Offensive foul on the winning team, Evangelista, third personal foul. Shot clock is off. 5 seconds remaining. From downtown, 3. And on the third quarter. Fourth quarter.
Here's Berlin on to the attack. The layup is good. It is 56-78. He makes this quarter. Here's Reyes using up the clock very wisely. 15 on the shot clock. Off the kick out para kay Richard. Gabat off, and that is an easy goal for Javelin. 78-56. Here's Telesio. Off to Coyoca. To Pauline. Cross on the Richard. And Ramos off to Gabat. And Rob with a 2 points that time. 80-56 has been the defense of Batang Cavite dominates in this ball game so far. As Coyoca loses it, Pauline picks it up. Off the shot and the one that is good. 4 points in this quarter. Ball pass this time at the middle. 15 on the shot clock. And that's another fouling violation. Back-to-back fouling violation called. Here's Pauline on the front court. It is 80-58. Splitting two defenders. Attacks in the middle. And 6 straight points in this quarter. 3 down to 20. Here's Rob, back to Reyes to Rob, off to Richard. Gabat at the corner, back to Ramos. Ramos attacking in with 2 defenders, inside pass and ball went out of bounds. It will stay with shot clock at 5. 5 seconds to make the basket. Inside pass, Richard fading away at the baseline. Shot no one boxing out that time. John Gilliaser with the ball off shot. It's 80-60. And there's the reaching foul called on Reyes. Number 4. First personal foul and first team foul. Here's Pauline attacking in the lane, forcing that move. Misses. Rebound that time from number 12, Reyes brings out another. Off the roll, Gabat spurs off. There's an air ball. Here's Pauline again. Look to attack, dito pala para kay Ponce. Ponce sees an opening at the middle, throws it up. Misfires, and there's a pushing foul. Pushing foul on play number 13. His third personal foul was the first team foul. Reyes sets it off. And the shot clock, forcing that move. tight defense. Finish with the rebound on the lead. On the 9, the side step, and there it is in foul. Foul on number 6, Yasser. This is third personal foul, team foul number 2. Gilberto Serrano checks it back on the floor. It's 82-60. 4 minutes have gone by here in the fourth and final quarter of the playoff games for the Desperate Poblacion Basketball League Season 3. As we have the last 8 teams competing for the Season 3 title. Here is Reyes, off in the middle. Back to Junkin. Throw. 2-man play that time on the spin. Tight defense from Joseph. 3 from 5. The cross. Well, good defense that time. And inside to the open lane. Taps it in for 2. Great steal. Converted to a basket. Comes to lead down to 20. Here's Richard off the rope. Laban for the spin, extra pass inside. Great pass again. Fearless drive with 2 defenders in front. Dropping it down low. To an open teammate and quick answer on the other end. 84-64. Here's Sagaral, balik bola para kay Rob. Using the screen, inside pass again. 8 on the shot clock. Reyes, Rogati Junkin, good ball movement, and traveling violation is called. Quick call again, substitution. Secret season checks in. Also Mendoza checks back on the floor. 84-64, 4 minutes, 26 seconds remaining. Next game, Batang Dasma going against the team of Brother Shoot. Here's Ponce. Kicks it out on to Venecio. Balik bola para kay Ponce. 15 on the clock. The pass is too strong para kay Pauline. Still gets it back. With 10. Cross over 2 defenders. There is a reaching foul. Foul is called player 23. His first personal foul, the 13th foul. Pauline quick fires. Get it off. 84-64. 6 minutes have gone by. Here's Siegfried. Bigyan bola para kay Rob. Off to Mendoza. Good ball movement. Off to Joubert. With 10 on the clock. Baseline cross forward and went out of bounds. 84-64. The sign here is Ponce. One set back, balik bola para Venecio. Off the zone and right. Here's Pare on the screen, the kick out, deflected away. In the steal, outlet pass now, and Rock. Rabat finishes that one on the trail. It is 86-64, back to 22-point lead. Alley pass over great pine. Too strong, still managed to get in. 8 points in this quarter para the lead. It's 86-66. Three minutes remaining. Here's Rock. Dapat using the screen. Balik sa gitna, bola para kay Season. Inside pass. It's a dangerous pass inside. And look at the nature, that was sky high to get that layup. It is 88-66. Here's Pauline off the Venecio. On the shot clock, Venecio with a baseline J. Now, another rebound by Mendoza. In next game, it's Batang Dasma going against the team of Radosud for the knockout game for the playoffs of PPBL Season 3. Again, the winning team will advance to the quarterfinals. Kicks it out. Last 2 minutes. 1 second on the shot clock. Stop. And time is closed. 1 second on the clock. Exactly 2 minutes remaining. 88-66. The winning team of this first game will face 88-66. Exactly 2 minutes remaining. Here's Vanessa now onto the attack mode. They're down by 22. The stop and pop. And bounces off. Notice that wind falling down in the second half for the Cannibals. $88-66. Here is Siegfried, wala para kay JP. Evangelista to Cesar, pass it corner to Segaran, Jovel for 3. Won't go, Velasco off the lead. Extra pass to Yoko with a layup, he gets that too. Also Yoko from Barangay Saban as well. Here's Lady, 20-point game. Off the Siegfried, Season at the corner. Now Joseph gets off the rebound. Off the Pauline. There's Pauline on the attack, the side set and the layup. 10 points in this quarter alone for Pauline. Points for Pauline in this ball game. 15 on the shot clock. And Season very using on the clock wisely. On the fake, they kick out now. 3 on the shot clock. JD for 3 and JD Evangelista 3.